Jessie and Missy Corn. Today I'm delivering you my little surprise hair goals. Man, these were hard to get here. Oh well, back to delivering packages. Unicorn duck away! Hey everyone, Jessie Corn here.
And Missy Corn.
Today we are reviewing LOL Surprise hair goals.
Santa finally brought us some, right, Jessie Corn?
Why? Put them back.
Which one would you like to open first, Jessie?
This one.
Okay, guys.
Let's get into it. Now this is like a hairspray.
It's... Ooh.
Oh, we got a pink one.
Okay, so this is the one I want. And Jessie wants the one on the cover.
Yang BB.
Or Yang Cutie? I'm not sure.
No, it's a Yang BB, I'm pretty sure.
You're probably right. Okay, another zip. Ooh, I like splatters because I love rainbows. Okay, woo. Okay, oh wow, lots of stuff flying at us. This can go in front of your doll and wait, show them, and act as a filter like Snapchat. You put it in front of your doll. And, Jessie, wait, will you stop it? But look. Look at your stickers. They're little barrettes.
Up in a knot?
Top knot.
Are you sure about that?
Yeah, wait, show them.
Top knot.
Is it top knot?
Yep, it's top knot.
Okay, so we have to take this top off somehow.
Missy, you need a little...
Ooh. Okay, and then, whoa! Oh, yes, this turns into a little seat, Jessie Corn.
It also can be like a little swing.
Oh, show them what you got.
It's a swing.
Wait, they can't see.
It's a swing.
Look, this holds onto your bottle. So you can...
It's a swing.
It's not to swing, Jessie Corn. Okay. Oh, what else? Oh, that's the little stand that you can put at the top. Like so. And you could stand, and it also can go in the bottle. Okay, ready? One.
Now there's like a little handle.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Look at our doll, guys.
Ooh, this...
Wait, don't take it apart. Wait. I like her mask. It's a panda mask.
Well, I was feeling it.
Not yet, Jessie Corn. There's an... Wait, you have to show us your blind bags. Oh, there's two more.
In my blind bag, I have a feeling I'm going to get something interesting.
You think so? Wait, we can't see you opening it. Okay, what is it, Jessie Corn? Is this a... Ooh, what is it?
Necklace.
Wait, no peeking. No cheaters. There's a gold chain.
Looking at all the ones.
All right, I'm going to try this one, Jessie.
Okay.
Dun, da, da, da. Oh, I know who we're going to get. This one has been said it could be like Katy Perry or Miley Cyrus. Tell us who you think it is in the comments below.
I think it's Katy Perry.
But there's a picture of Miley Cyrus with an outfit just like this one.
But
okay, look, Jessie.
On it.
Hers had a dog. Yeah, it's true. Okay, little bracelets. Got two little bracelets. Jessie, would you like to do the honors of this one?
Who's Her Majesty?
Jessie.
Huh? Oh.
This one.
Yes.
She's got it. Guys, here is the checklist. And it looks like we're getting Daring Diva. I want splatters.
We got the little pink and black shoes.
Oh, these are very cute, aren't they?
I'm very excited.
You want to open a curler? I bet you want Snow Bunny.
Corn isn't here right now, but she used to wear something like this. Wait.
Oh, to curl her hair, right.
I don't...
Oh, Miss Jive is really cute, too.
Who's Miss Jive supposed to be?
I'm not really sure. Look, Simone Queen is like MJ. This is supposed to be like Marilyn Monroe.
I got the bottle.
Oh, let's see. Let's see.
It's clear!
I'm going to open this one.
No, it's clear.
Oh, show them. Give them a close-up.
It's transparent, guys.
Oh, I love our curler. Do you know these curlers can actually work in your hair?
How?
They actually work. They're real.
Yeah.
Oh, and in this one, we got
I'm gonna put one in my
our little comb.
I want to open it.
Okay, Jessie, I'll hold it. Let's take, should we do the, okay, wait.
No, Missy Corn.
I'm just showing you.
Let me hold it.
Well, wait, you don't have, I don't want you to, whoa.
Apparently they come with underwear.
A bodysuit. Oh, yes, look at this. These are awesome. So
I think it's Katy Perry because in her California Girl she had purple hair.
it's very confusing because there's one of Miley Cyrus that looks like this. Okay, we're going to get her dressed and then we're going to show you. Jessie and I have not wanted to put them in water because we've heard people messing up the hair when you get them in water.
So we'll probably fill up the bottle.
Well, I think she might be a color changer, so we'll try to get her in a bowl of water.
Okay.
All
They're
right.
all color changers except for two.
Yeah, oh, fun. All right, we'll be right...
Shimon Queen isn't one and Glamour Queen isn't one.
All right, we'll get them going, Jessie, and we'll be right
back.
Okay, guys, we're back with Daring Diva, and we're ready to see if she color changes. First, warm water.
Try and dip her, like, see if her face color changes.
Without getting the hair too, because the hair's... No, she's not a warm color changer, nor does her face change. Okay, Jessie, can you get us over here? Okay, here we go in the cold. Okay, wait, she's going in, she's going in, she's going in. And she is a cold water color changer. Oh, she's going, wait. Let's get her cold. Hey, it's freezing in here! Get me out of here! Help! There she is! Woo! Wait, Jess, you're covering it. Wait, Jessie Corn. You just made her. There she is, guys.
She's dripping.
She is. She's dripping. All right, let's see if she... Oh, wait, she just spit at us. Jessie Corn?
If you
Oh, she's a tinkler. Jessie, she tinkled on us.
if you guys are wondering, you could use the stickers to.
Oh, yes, Jessie Corn decorated our bottle. Okay, Jessie, we're going to get her dressed, and then we're going to open another one. Ready, Daring Diva? Okay, this is Daring Diva all dressed up. Isn't she adorable, Jessie Corn?
Yeah.
Wow, really super cute. And Jessie, show them how you fixed everything.
So I put like the outfit she came in and the curlers, and then up here there's a place where you can put the bottle if you take this part out.
Right.
So I put the bottle up there.
And you decorated the
I put the comb in there and then the thing up top. You could put it in, but...
And then we put the strap here. Now Jessie's going to put Daring Diva on stage while we get ready to open another one. Right, Jessie Corn?
Right.
Okay.
That one.
Jessie, we put
This one.
Daring Diva in our cup. No, I want that one.
This one.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Fine.
1, 2, 3... Wait, we didn't do it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh, man, you win.
Oh, 2 out of 3?
Nah.
Okay, we'll do it. All right, ready? Here we go. Woo! Can Missy Corn open this one today, Jessie? You want to... Oh, is this a gold bottle?
I'm pretty sure if it's a gold bottle.
OMG, WHCP.
I
I just used Blair. Blair Fowler's. Yes, I love Blair Fowler. She's so sweet. Okay, whoa.
hint.
Oh, Jessie Corn. More stickery barrettes. This is interesting.
Okay, I got this one.
All right, wait, show them the clue first.
This is it. Bad hair day.
Oh, and on Friday the 13th, huh? Ooh, do you think that's good to have a bad hair day on Friday the 13th?
Yeah, it's bad hair day.
Okay. Whoa, we got blind bags flying at us. Ooh.
I'm pretty sure
Look at this.
is going to be baddie.
Do you think? Well, it could be any of the queens, too. Okay, wait, you have to show them what you got. Oh, no. Look at this outfit.
Oh, it's going to be Glamour Queen then.
Ooh, exciting. Okay, Jessie Corn. Get ready. Here's our check.
Oh, man.
List. Whoa, we're losing blind bag. Oh, wow, guys.
This one's all out.
Ooh, it's a gold robot. Okay, let's open some blind bags. Don't open that yet. Wait, what's in here? Something tiny. Ooh, guys, a pearl necklace.
Yes,
Jessie, you...
It's definitely Glamour Queen.
Jessie, you take a blind bag and open. Is this empty?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Ruh-roh.
Look, we got our little stand for our doll. Oh, this is exciting. Oh, what did you get?
High heels.
Can you show us? Oh, look. Ooh, with a sparkly pom-pom.
Guys, this is not real hair.
And then I got a sash. Jessie, you want to take a curler and I'll take a curler?
I want both the curlers.
Well, we have to share. Whoa. Wait, Missy Corn can't open this today. Hey, you're beating me. Oh, yeah, you know what? If they don't have real hair, there's no comb. So, one might be empty. Bottle. Oh, that looks very Marilyn Monroe-ish, huh? Okay, Jessie Corn, are you ready to reveal our girl? Jessie Corn. Jessie Corn. Come on, she's ready to come out. I want to come out. Oh, Jessie's trying the curlers. Okay, Jess, do you want to open her?
Owie.
Owie.
And she
Wait,
doesn't have real hair.
But she's gorgeous. Hello, darling.
I'm stripping you.
We're taking all your clothes off so we can put a new outfit on you because you're Marilyn Monroe.
I'm stripping your robot outfit off.
Oh, I can't be a robot anymore?
No.
Oh, she's got gloves. Whoa, gloves, darling. All right.
Censor.
Hello. All right, Jess, let's see if she color changes in warm water.
She doesn't color change.
Oh, wait. Are you sure?
Yeah, she cries.
Oh, she cries. Oh. Oh, no, she's crying. Oh, guys. Oh, I know why she's crying, Jessie Corn. She wants to get into her outfit. All right, guys. We are going to get everything put together, and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, we got Glamour Queen all dressed up with her pearls, her little tank top, and little skirt, little high heels, and her hair is super glittery. And look, she's got a bow sash in the back, which is super duper cute. Right, Jessie Corn?
Uh-huh.
Jessie Corn's having a lot of fun playing with the bottles over there.
I'm not playing.
Yes.
I'm trying to put this in.
Oh, she likes to decorate the bottles. Hello, darlings. Okay, guys, we got one more to go. So we'll see you back in a few minutes. Jessie Corn, we are back with our last and final one. Unicorn Duck is nowhere to be found. Sorry, Unicorn. He left us. I think he went home to play toys.
No.
Alright. Oh, Jessie. It looks like a light pink. Who's there? Who's at our house? Okay, wait. I'm having some technical difficulties here.
One's Pixie Cut.
We got our clue, Pixie Cut. And Jessie. Oh, actually, this looks like a coral bottle. Ooh. Okay. Oh, Jess, show them the stickers. Sorry for the loud noise.
They're different.
They are different. Whoa, I just lost our little filter glass. Okay, manual, filter glass. Jessie, look at the pretty color. This is pretty. Okay. Top off. Jessie Corn needs to get some more muscle. What do you think, Jessie Corn? What are you doing? The plushies are trying to take over our video. Okay, ready? 1, 2. Whoa. Handle.
Ow!
Ooh, look at how pretty. It's super cute. Okay, you want to open this one?
Can't hurt my finger too bad.
Okay, checklist. Oh, we got...
Another panda mask.
We did. 2 curlers. Jessie, let's see what you're opening. Uh-oh, this might give you a huge clue of who we just got.
Miss Jive.
Jessie, you're giving... Ooh, look at these cool glasses. And... Oh, she's got some kicking boots, guys. Jessie's gonna take a curler.
Is Miss Jive Michael Jackson again?
No, Simone Queen is. Anybody, do you know who Miss Jives is supposed to represent? If you do, could you let us know in the comments below? Oh, super cute comb. Jessie.
And if you guys know Yang Cutie.
And we're thinking Her Majesty could be Beyonce. See if you guys know.
Who is Snow Bunny?
Not sure.
And who is Splatters?
I love splatters. Jessie and I want splatters and Yang Cutie next. Okay, here's her bottle. Gold top. All right, Jessie, would you like to do the honors of unmasking? Oh, I gotta get it. Woo! Oh, my goodness, I lost my head. How do we do that, Jessie? Whoa, oh, wow. Oh,
I think this is Michael Jackson.
It's not. Because look, she's got a banner. This is not Mike. Simone Queen is for Michael Jackson. Oh, I love her hair.
But Michael Jackson before he died.
No, this is not Michael Jackson. Let us know who this is, guys. All right, Jess, let's see if she color changes.
Yeah, she is like color changer.
I want to do this without trying to get her hair wet.
Oh, she gets pinkness.
So is she like, could she be like a beauty?
Oh, I think I know.
Like a beauty queen? So she definitely gets, I know, she keeps going away. But a pink bodysuit, guys.
Is it one of the Miss Americas?
Or Miss Universe. If you know, let us know. And she gets pink gloves. So she looks definitely like a beauty queen. Alright, we are going to get her dressed. And we'll be back to show you Miss Jive.
Okay, guys, we forgot to show you that her face does color change.
Oh, she's got tears. Her mascara is coming down. Oh, wait. Try that again, Jessie. Without getting her hair too wet. Wait, how did you do it? Ooh.
Her Majesty must...
Oh, yeah, look. She's got mascara. Oh, did she lose? Oh, no. All right, we're going to get her dressed now so we can show you the finale. Hello, guys. I'm Miss Jive. She's styling Jessie Corn, isn't she?
Yep.
I love her gold shades. What do you love? The hair, huh?
No.
The blue eyeshadow?
No, I love the outfit she came in.
Oh, that's your favorite?
Yeah.
Oh, here's a peek behind the shades.
Like her disguise outfit. I like that.
Look at her little tux.
It
Oh,
won't go on Jessie Corn.
Oh yeah, Jessie decorated it really cute. She was decorating. All right, Jessie, I think that does it for us because we unveiled 3 hair goals. We have a lot to go, don't we, Jessie Corn?
Put her glasses back on.
Oh, Jessie Corn getting bossy over here, huh? All right, guys. Hope you are having a wonderful day. Thank you for stopping by our video. And Jessie and I will catch you in our next one. Peace! Love you guys.